How to delete Kik streaming account. Hi everyone, this is Max. I hope you are doing well, so let's start without wasting time. First of all, open up your web browser. Now tap on the search bar and type Kik Help Support. Now copy the mail address. Now open up your Gmail. Now tap on Compose. Now paste the mail. Now compose the email saying I want to delete my account. And tap on Send. Their support team will contact you within 24 hours. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe our channel for more awesome content. Have a burning question, want to suggest a topic? Drop down a comment below. This is Max signing off until next time.